So, this is my first session. Alas 9 po ng umaga yan. So, while working, nagpa-pump na po ako dyan. That is my first session for the day. Pump, pump, pump! Using my wearable pump, kaya mas madali nating nagagawa ang ating pumping session. So, yan. Ang gagawin na lang natin, after 20 minutes, automatic po nang nag-shut off ang ating device o yung ating machine. And then, gagawin lang po natin is, transfer na lang po natin siya sa storage bottle for storage. Yes, so that is our output for today, 9 a.m. Working, pumping mama. Oh, yan ang output natin for this 9 a.m. session. Ayan, so isasali na natin siya dito sa storage mo to. Tapos ilalagay natin sa fridge para ma-fridge, tumabig. Iuwi natin this afternoon. Okay? Ayan. Marami-rami tayo na pump is 9 a.m. So this is total of 6 ounces for the first session. Okay, rest na natin yan. Okay. Punta tayo sa PHU. Doon tayo mag-store ng breast milk kasi doon na ang ating lactation room. Okay. So, doon ang ating lactation room. Doon na tayo mag-i-store. Para hindi nasasama sa mga kung ano-ano sa ref. Ayan, talako siya. Ang mabait. Ay, ito? Ah, okay. Ayan, so that is the breastfeeding room. Oh, di ba? Yeah. Oh, okay. So we have, ayan, tugawan. Ayan. And then, we have the ref. Ayan, so may ref tayo here. Okay. And then, ayan, may logbook. Logbook. Kung sino yung pupunta dito magpapump o mag-isma ng breast. So this is 3 ohms. Naka 3 ohms tayo. Okay. Kaya natin sa ref. Ayan. So this is our second pump. Ayan. Okay. Let's close it. Ayan. So mamaya stress naman siya. Magpa-pump. We're going home na. So, we will get na po ang na-store natin. Na breast milk. Kaya no. Yan. Okay. Tapos lagay natin dito sa ating core bag. Actually, nagpump na din ako sa taas, sa ward. Kaya, so yan. Yan. Okay, so it's all packed. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Okay, so we're home already. Gawin na natin ang ating mahiwagang decol box, ice box. Ayan. So, gawin na natin ang pump breast milk. Yes, later. So, this one is ilalagay natin sa fridge for consume na ni JM bukas. Okay, so pump today, consume tomorrow. Oh, open mo na, Manang CJ. Open the ref. Open the ref. Open. Oh, then put mo na this one. Open. Oh, put mo. Okay, put it there. Put it there. Okay, put it there. Dili kasi diya. Ha? Kanak mo naman pump. Oh, man. More. That's it. Thank you for watching. Follow for more. That's it, mga Mima. Follow for more.